back to my channel. I'm Beauty by Deanna, and I am so excited for this makeup look that I'm going to be doing today. It's definitely fall, but it's been feeling like winter while I've been living up. So I'm like, okay, so it's about 3 weeks of fall and then it ran straight into winter. So I want to do something a little bit different, but I still love my warm colors, my warm tones. I feel like I'm still going to use my warm tones, but I'm going to use something different, like a different technique. But if you have not subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also hit the notification bell. It is free to do that. And also make sure you go to my other channel, which is Dee's Corner, which is my commentary channel. So please make sure you go over there and subscribe. And also to my vlog channel, which is A Day with Dee, because I think I could be doing Vlogmas. I've been working on some things. So the palettes that I'm going to be using today are from Revolution, Makeup by Revolution, and this is their Reloaded Iconic Fever palette. I'm going to be using the Reloaded Iconic Fever, and then Miss Jackie Ania, the lovely Jackie Ania palette from ABH. So these are two palettes I feel like has great warm undertones, and I feel like warm shades, not undertones, warm shades that I can use for this look, because I see a couple of dupes for some shades in here for that palette. So I just want to get into that later in the video. So we're gonna go ahead and get going. So how are y'all? I've been doing okay. I'm gonna go in with hold the palette. I'm gonna go in with Credit while we get into the video. So how y'all? I'm doing pretty good. My mom just got to finish putting up decorations for the house and pictures. So my mom just got to finish putting up decorations. I was at work when she started out, so don't come for me in the comments like, why you didn't have your mom? So she started on the decorations and it looks good. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking Credit into the crease. I like to open my eyes like a little bit because I feel like I can get it right into that socket. Usually we put our Christmas decorations after Thanksgiving, but my mom, I guess she was so ready to put them up. I noticed she watches YouTube videos. Like, if you guys watch the Christmas YouTube videos, let me know which ones, the Christmas decor videos, let me know which ones that you guys love, because I can definitely highly recommend it to her. This looks like this. I'm gonna take ginger and I'm gonna apply ginger on the edges of Credit so that it won't look like it's overlapping Credit. Kind of make it transparent. If you guys didn't watch my series, which I'm pretty sure you guys have, but if you're new here, I do have a review of this palette, and I will link it down below in the description box. So what are your favorite Christmas movies? I want to know what are your favorite Christmas movies are. I would say for OG purposes, I would go for Home Alone, Rudolph, Charlie Brown Christmas, Santa Claus, and also I love any old Nickelodeon 90s. I'm a 90s kid. Christmas, like, I will sit there and watch all the Christmas movies from back in the day. Even the SpongeBob one. I don't know why. It's just, I'm a big kid. So when it comes down to that. So you guys see how well ginger kind of really saturated a little bit. I just basically applied it around the perimeter. Looks very great. This brush right here from e.l.f. because the tip of the brush really looks amazing when you're applying deeper shades. Didn't mention it in the beginning, but I'm going to take LA Girl the Nudist, and I'm going to take that grayish black. Haven't used this palette in a while, and I do need to get back into using this palette. So the oil is on my cheek there. Well, not my cheek, on my smile zone areas. But don't worry, we'll get that out. Okay, so I'm just gonna be apply it using firmness. Okay, we're using, kind of doing like a halo eye. And then dragging it down to the lower lash line. But yeah, I am a huge kid at heart. I love watching all 90s, anything 90s related. Love it. Especially when Halloween Town on YouTube was doing that live YouTube Halloween Town. Oh my gosh, I was on my lunch break, it literally enjoying every bit of it. I mean, I couldn't watch the whole entire thing, but like when I come home, they were on it, so it was just right on that channel as well. So I was like, yeah, start where I left off, or catch up. So yes, that's about it for that. I was wanting to do this year, take my niece to go see the new Frozen, because Frozen 1 drove me nuts. Okay, I should remember every Frozen song by heart, every line, because she was so obsessed with Frozen. Like, I was like, oh my gosh. And I was like, can we just let it go? But now I'm gonna go in with the Believe Beauty. This is Believe Beauty concealer in beige, which is everything. Everything. But we're gonna fix that later. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm thinking we're gonna mix these three shimmers. Just want y'all to see how amazing it looks and pigmented it looks. All I'm doing is packing the shade. And then bringing it up with the brush just a little. go in with Wiggly's, which is like this. And I'm gonna apply Wiggly's on top. To really intensify it. Kind of drag it in, and then do I need any other shade? I think I'm gonna go in with Soleil. Apply it right in the center. Give it a little bit more pop. I'm gonna add 4 eyeshadows onto the lid, y'all. Like literally 4 eyeshadows onto a lid. Like, but that's usually not what I do, but it's something different. I'm gonna take Soleil also to the end of the brow bone. To the end of the brow bone, kind of blend it. Because we're gonna go back in with ginger and clean it up. Some of the harsh lines. Okay. Let's see. This is why I really don't do shimmer on the brow like that, because it's cute, but it's not cute at the same time. So it's gonna go on me. It's cute on others, but I just think on me it's not that cute, in my opinion.